Today's class is under the topic National Integration. These are History and Government Form 1 topic. And so under this topic, the first objective would be explain the meaning and the importance of national integration. And so I'll do that, then I'll explain to you what else we would like to you should know about this topic. So national integration is the act, process, or means of bringing people of different or diverse cultures, religion, race, tribe, occupation, and social status into forming one nation. Why is this important? One, it enhances conditions favorable for peace and prosperity, also promotes national unity, promotes the achievement of rapid economic and development, also eliminates and reduces inter-community conflicts, and many other importances listed in the geography, not the geography, but the history app. You can also get the geography app from the Google Play Store, but you can study more about national integration in the history app available on your Google Play Store. So the icon to that app is at the bottom of the screen. So having explained the meaning and importance of national integration, you should be able to describe factors promoting and limiting national unity, identify methods of resolving conflicts, and finally describe the process of resolving conflicts. So why don't I see you in the next class?